Hey guys, hi, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back again with some different haul. It's not a particular only about one app. I used different apps in order to do these deals. And if you want to know what that apps are about, you can always check in my previous videos to know what these all apps are about and how to use them. And here I'll put my referral code for Field Agent, Ibotta, and Swagbucks. I'll also try to put in the description box. So if you're new to it, please use my referral code to sign up. That will help me do more and more deals. And before entering into video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, I'm pretty excited to share these deals, guys, because some deals I really wanted to do since long time, but I was not able to do that. I'll walk through that details also. Yeah, let's jump in. So the first deal is on this Swiffer Wedget wood mopping pads. So these I guess are priced at $11.97, and this is from Field Agent, guys. And these are so good. I tried it and it's so good actually. So yeah, these are priced at $11.97, and Field Agent is giving back $11.97. I mean, the product cost, they are going to reimburse the whole product cost. And I already told you, if at all you want some details or something, just go back to my previous videos and check what I'm talking about. Plus I got $3 for doing this audit, so this product was completely free, which is worth $12, and a $3 money maker. And the most I was excited, I'm excited is about this product, guys. This product is like always showing in my Field Agent app, but never allows me to accept this. I don't know why. And if at all sometimes it allows me to accept, I'm not able to find the same exact product, which means I cannot do that audit at all. This happened like 2-3 times. Sorry guys, so I accepted the job 2-3 times, and I went to the store. It said limited stock, it said in stock, but after going there I never find it, so I had to cancel it 2 times, which decreased my credit score too. But that's okay, finally I found that and I used it, and I also did the audit too. I think these are priced at like 597 or something. So yeah, I think to do these deals we don't need any product price and all. So yeah, these were like 597. Both of them was a twin pack. So I did the audit. I got back the whole amount on the product plus $3, which is a $3 money maker. And guys, do try this Field Agent. As I told you, I'll be posting my referral code down below in the description box, because you know guys, if at all you're using Ibotta or Swagbucks or something like that, you definitely have to go to Walmart and all. So in the same time you can also complete these deals, as they are allowing like 3 to 4 days to complete the jobs. So I definitely recommend you guys to do these deals. And the next deal is from Swagbucks, guys. In last video I told you it didn't work out for me, but as one of my subscriber told me, like we can submit it again and they'll just uh, check it once again, and if at all if it's a correct product, they'll give our SB back. This is from Swagbucks, guys. So this is priced at $3.68 each. So in total it's going to be like $8, and Swagbucks is giving back $12, which is a $5 money maker, which makes these products free plus a $5 money maker. And I don't know guys, I'm trying to do deals in my points. I'm not submitting the same receipt. I am buying again like other products and other receipt, different everything, and I'm trying to upload it in my points. But I don't know, since like 1 week, uh, whatever I upload, it's saying it doesn't match. I don't know if this happened to you guys. If there's anything I can do, please help me out with that. So these are the ones I thought of trying in my points too, but it didn't work out, so I returned it. But this products I purchased it for Swagbucks and I got it, so I'm at least happy for that. And the next two deals are the repeat deals, and are from Ibotta, guys. So this is also from Ibotta. So I was having another coupon, so Shea Moisture $6 coupon, which I mentioned in the previous video. So these are priced at $4.97 at my store, so both equals to $10, and the coupon tax of $6, which makes it $4 plus 30 cents tax. And Ibotta is giving back $2 on each. I think that expired. Makes both of them completely free. It's not even a money maker, guys. But if at all you find a soap which is priced at $3.97, which most of the people found, it will definitely be a money maker, guys. Try that too. And the next deal is on this core organic hydration, which I told you I found it all after a long time and got the one which said free after offer in Ibotta. But this popped up again saying a BOGO deal. So in Safeway, this is priced at $1.49 each. So both of them makes the total of $3.99. But Ibotta is giving back $2.50, which means BOGO. So for this both, Ibotta gave back $2.50, which made both of them 50 cents or 25 cents each. But the deal was even better, guys, because at this when I was doing this deal, I also qualified for midweek some bonus, which gave me back just 50 cents. But that's fine. It made both of them completely free, which which made me like happy, guys. So I was, yeah, which made these both also completely free. And the last one is this Signature Select Hazelnut spread. Actually, most of them, I mean, like most of the people are getting many freebies, guys. But I don't know, in my area they are not popping up. Like I don't know, like because most of them are not even available at the store which I go. So this was priced at $2.50, $2, I guess. But Safeway it was free. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go to my previous videos. You'll know like what I'm talking about. This is all about Safeway club membership. You'll keep getting some freebies in your account. You have to just keep checking. So that's it, guys. I just brought this scan. I didn't even put my credit card as usual. It made it completely free. So that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed my video, and thank you so much for making this far. I'll see you guys in the next video with some more deals. I already have some more deals to record, but I'll be posting one by one, guys. So yeah, keep an eye out. Bye, guys. Take care. See you.